Happy Friday, Will Healy here, and with every Friday you get a bad dad joke. So here we go. You ready? Why did Marie Kondo start a welding apprenticeship? Because it sparked joy. Huh? Welding spark? Okay, that may be the worst one. I know I said that a couple weeks ago, but I think that's the worst dad joke. But anyways, today I want to talk about something pretty interesting. I read an article from Control Engineering talking about how to get started with a condition monitoring project, and I really liked this topic. So if you're trying to do condition monitoring or predictive maintenance, how do you get started? And it's the 4 steps to getting started with a condition monitoring project. The first step is to do a criticality analysis. And by that, assess what assets have the most impact on the bottom line, what things cause the biggest pain and the biggest losses when they go down. Second, look at the probable failures of each of those assets. Identify, what could happen? How has it failed in the past? What has happened to similar equipment in the past, or maybe in past work experience with similar equipment? What kind of failures occur? Third, 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 technology selection, right? Decide on the technology best suited to detect each failure mode. It might be more than one technology. So, is it a device versus machine versus plant level monitoring? Is it periodic monitoring or is it continuous monitoring? And what kind of communications do you need to do to make that occur? Fourth, analyze and execute. Trend and analyze the data to plan and execute maintenance actions at the most advantageous times. Reduce unplanned downtime and extend the asset life by doing these things. So those are the 4 condition monitoring project steps. I like it because it very clearly lays out a criticality analysis, probable failures, technology selection, and analyze and execute. And I really liked this process. So I'll make sure that there's a link in the comments below, and you have a great weekend.